to the channel Dewdear Academy. In this video, I am discussing the topic Symposium. So, I am explaining the meaning of Symposium, definition, characteristics, then the Symposium technique, then advantages, disadvantages, and the difference between seminar and symposium. So, let me start the topic. First is the meaning of Symposium. Symposium, it is the meeting of persons to discuss a problem or a theme. So just the meaning of symposium is, it is just a meeting of persons to discuss a problem or a theme. Or we can say it is the meeting or conference for the discussion of a topic, especially one in which the participants form an audience and take presentations. Or it is a pre-arranged meeting for exchange of information or discussion. So symposium is just a meeting which is a pre-arranged meeting for the exchange of information. Next is the definition of symposium. What is the definition? That is, two or more persons under the direction of a chairman present separate speeches which give several aspects of one question. So here there is a chairman, and under the direction of a chairman, two or more persons or experts are giving their speeches. That is regarding the different aspect of a particular topic or the several aspects of a particular topic. Two or more persons under the direction of a chairman present separate speeches which give several aspects of one question. Or we can say it is a modification of the lecture method in which several experts are allotted different aspects of a particular topic. So the different aspects of a particular topic is discussed by different experts, and thus it can be considered as a modification of the lecture method. So again, there is another definition. The symposium technique serves as an excellent device for informing an audience, crystallizing opinion, and preparing listeners for arriving at decisions, policies, values, judgment, or understanding. So this is an excellent device for informing the audience, helping them to crystallize their opinions and also help the listeners to reach into a particular decisions or making policies, values, judgment, or understanding. Then there is one more definition, that is, the symposium, it is a form of discussion in which different viewpoints or opinions regarding the single aspect or component of a topic is discussed under the guidance of a chairman. So all are giving the same meaning. Different aspects of a particular topic is discussed by the different experts under the guidance of a chairman. So thus it is a form of discussion. Next, I am discussing the characteristics of symposium. The first important characteristic is it gives a broad understanding of a topic, because the different viewpoints of a particular topic is discussed by different experts. So this gives a broad understanding of a topic. Then it helps in making decision about a problem. It helps to make the decision about a problem. It helps to deal with specific themes and problems. It helps in dealing with the specific problems and themes. There is a feeling of cooperation and adjustment. The different views on particular topic is discussed. It develops creativity. So these are the characteristics of symposium. It gives a broad understanding of a topic. It gives helps in making the decision about a problem. It helps to deal with the specific themes and problems, and it gives a feeling of cooperation and adjustment, and also it gives different views on the topic, and it develops the creativity. Next, I am discussing the mechanism of symposium or the symposium technique. So regarding this symposium technique, there are several steps. First is the student chairman or the teacher plan the program of conducting this symposium. Then the student chairman or the teacher invite the speakers. That is, the speakers are given the topic to prepare. So second step is the teacher or the student chairman invite the speakers. Then Each member know the objectives of the symposium. Each member is aware of the objective of symposium, and the chairman, that is either the teacher or the student, open the symposium with an introductory speech. That is, the chairman will be introducing the speakers to the audience. So that is the first steps. The chairman will be planning the program, and he will be inviting the speakers. That is, the speakers are given the topic, the different viewpoints of a particular topic is discussed. So the topic will be given to the speakers to prepare, and then the chairman will be opening the symposium with an introductory speech. So there the speakers will be introduced to the audience by the chairman. Then the next step is the speakers one by one will be speaking the topic. That is, the different issues and viewpoints of the topic will be discussed, or the speech will be given by the speakers. Then the chairman make a remark after each speech. The chairman will be giving the remarks after each speech. Then the conclusion is made by the chairman. The chairman gives the conclusion, and last comes to the discussion. So these are the technique of symposium, or the steps in conducting the symposium. Then next is the advantages of symposium. First is, it is suited for large group. For the large group discussion and all, this symposium is an effective technique. So it is suited for large group. Then present broad topics for discussion. So the topics will be taken for the discussion. The topics will be of a broad or wide range of topic will be discussed, so that the different viewpoints can be given or presented by the speakers. Then it gives a good organization. It helps to give a deeper insight to the topic, and it is used in political meetings. It helps to learn about the human relation skills, and it helps in developing the thinking ability. Also, it helps in developing the judgment skills, because it helps in making decision about the problems. So problem solving and judgment skills, and it give a wide basis for discussion. So these are all the advantages of symposium. That is, it is suited for large group, it present broad topics for discussion, it gives a good organization, and it is giving a deeper insight to the topic. It is used in political meetings. It helps to learn about the human relation skills. It develops the thinking ability. It helps in improving the judgment skills, and also it gives a wide basis for discussion. The next, I am discussing the disadvantages of symposium. It is the inadequate opportunities for the student participation. It gives inadequate opportunities for student participation. So that there will be less student participation and limited, that is the limited audience participation. And the questions and answers are limited to 3 to 4 minutes. And only cognitive objective is attained. In symposium, only cognitive objective is attained. And also there can be overlapping of the content. When they are presenting, there can be overlapping of the content. And the chairman has no control over the speakers. So speakers are given the topic and they are getting ready for preparing, but when they are presenting and all, the chairman is having no control over the speakers. So these are all the disadvantages. There will be inadequate opportunities for student participation, and there is limited audience participation. The questions and answers are limited to 3 to 4 minutes. Only cognitive objective is attained, and there can be overlapping of content, and the chairman has no control over the speakers. Next, I am discussing the difference between seminar and symposium. So for seminar, the topics are recent trends or developments in nursing, but for the symposium, mainly the topics selected are controversial issues in nursing. So that is the first difference regarding the topic selection. For seminar, mainly the recent trends or developments in nursing, the topics are based on that. But for the symposium, controversial issues in nursing is selected. Then regarding the chairperson is having less control in seminar, but for the symposium, the chairperson is having more control. Then for the discussion, less time is given for seminar, but for the symposium, more time is given for the discussion. Then regarding the participants, there is less preparation from the part of the participants for seminar, but for symposium there is more preparation from the part of the participants. So these are the difference between seminar and symposium. I hope you understand what is symposium, the definition, characteristics and the symposium technique, advantages, disadvantages and the differences between seminar and symposium. So the link for joining our various social media platform is given in description. You can join. So thank you.